in this video, I'm going to show you something so legendary, I don't think you guys would even know what it is. It's massage painting art! So if you want to do one of these nice drawing, painting things, whatever you want to call them, then you're at the right place / right video to watch. So all you need for this video is a massager right here. I got it at Target for $5. Just 5. You may find them in the dollar store or different places, but we found this one at Target. You will also need pooper, aka paper. Then you will need a box or a lid of some sort to put your paper in so this doesn't get anywhere on your floor, carpet, bed.
Table.
Yeah, table, anywhere. You also need some Sharpies and you also need these things.
Zip ties.
Zip ties, zippy zip ties. You'll need 2 of them unless you want 4 Sharpies. That'd be hard. If you guys can find a way to do that, go do whatever you want. You will also need some clippy things.
Wire cutters.
Wire cutters. Totally didn't get that from my dad. Anyway, let's get started. Alright, so first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to get both the zip ties. And you are going to put the massager upside down and zip tie them onto the front legs, like so. And make sure there's room to put a marker. And you're going to clip them off, like, hey, it sort of worked, like that. And it's okay if they come off at first. We're going to tighten them, so don't worry, don't panic. Then you're going to do the same with the other one, but also make sure it's not too loose. So, come on. Haha, I have done it. Then you are going to place your pooper / paper into your container. And you are going to pick 2 markers, Sharpies, or markers. Just use any utensil. I'm using Sharpies, so I'm going to close my eyes. That one and that one. Alright, this is like pink lemonade. Just realized that. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to slip this marker into one of the zip ties. Then you're going to tighten it to make sure the marker does not come loose. So the marker does not escape the grasp of the zip tie. Then you're going to do the same with the other marker. So, come on. Come on. Haha! I've done it. I know it's improper grammar, but I don't care. Then you're going to take the marker caps off. Finally, got it. And I got marker on me, and I really don't care. Make sure your massager has batteries, and make sure it can turn on and it's working. Because if not, that'd be a big oopsie. So what you're going to do, you're going to adjust your markers by pushing them to the right angle and the right height. Well, however low you need it to be. Then you are going to press the on button, on/off button. Then let it do its thing. Oh no. Oh no. Hold on. Do that. Make sure these pins draw. No, but first. Yay! It's moving the container. And there you have it. Some nice massager art. Well, this doesn't stand. But it's a really nice craft that you could do in your free time. It's really easy to do. You could do it with friends, families, and just whenever you're bored. So, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. And, yeah. See you in my next video. Bye.